Hi, today is the 8th of September after the close of trading, and just let us look at what the Nifty has been doing. So, this is still yesterday's price action, and in our analysis on the last weekend, we had taken two scenarios. One scenario was that this was the ABC decline for wave 4, in wave 5 will begin to the upside, or whether this is a developing downtrend. Now, that had to be decided today. As I had mentioned in the last analysis, that the first two trading sessions, two or three trading sessions will clarify the situation as to what happened. So let us see and follow it on the 30-minute chart, what happened after Nifty started trading. So Nifty started to rise. So we were alert with the bullish resolution of this pattern and we were watching it. So Nifty went up, then went down completely. So if you look at this price action here, this is a three wave rise. And let's have a look at it on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, you can see that this is a three wave rise, right? So going back to the 30-minute chart, this would be what happened after that. That it went in ABC three waves and then fell very sharply towards the close. And in falling, this was confirmed as a three wave rise on the intraday chart. So looking at this, we are again going towards the bearish resolution where this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is 1 of 3, this is 2 of 3, and 3 of 3 lies directly ahead. So looking at all that, we reinforced all our bearish positions going into the close. And this needs to be confirmed by a gap down or a bearish outcome tomorrow morning. If Nifty does not go down tomorrow, and the day after with significant momentum, then this count is wrong. So that is how we approach this price action in real time. It's very easy to say after everything has happened on the daily chart that this is what is happening. But this is what I'm trying to show is illustrative analysis on the real time chart using 30-minute price bars. So Nifty is poised very interestingly, and let us see whether this bearish resolution does take place or not. If Nifty futures were to take out this high at 598, then this is a three-way move, and then we will be long with the idea towards fresh highs. That is definitely one of the trade setups. But if Nifty continues down, we will continue to remain short. So that is all for today. Thank you and bye bye.